Hi, Dick Modi here again from Ethical Advisors. This is the second video in our series, which is a brand new series titled Insurance Simplified. We are going to discuss porting and restoration. What is porting? Porting is very simple. You can move your existing policy from one insurance company to another. Just like if you're not happy, let's say with Vodafone, you can move to Reliance in your cell phone. So basically you can change your service provider of your cell phone company, keep the same number, same way you can port your insurance policy. What are the benefits of porting instead of taking a brand new cover? The benefits are twofold. One is that you continue to enjoy the same benefits that you had under your existing policy, which means that all the accrued bonuses over the last many years continues into the new policy. Secondly, when you are looking at porting into another company, you don't have any waiting period because you are treated like a continuing customer of the general insurance industry. So let's say you are with insurance company A, there is an X amount of cover, you have Y amount of bonus, you're not happy or you feel there's a better deal with another company, you can port. That's what I mean by porting. Instead of buying a new policy where you might be subject to waiting periods, this is a better option. What is restoration? Restoration is a extra bonus given to you in case you exhaust your first sum. So for example, let's say you're with company A, you have taken a policy, let's say a family plan, Mediclaim plan of say 10 lakhs for 4 people in your family. By chance, because of any illness, you have utilized that 10 lakhs entirely during the year, your plan is finished. If you have a good quality plan with a good company, which we typically offer, you will get bonus on that. So you get 10 lakhs additionally given to you as a Mediclaim cover without any extra premium. There are certain plans which give you 100%. So if you have taken 10 lakhs, you get a restoration of 10. Or there are certain plans which give you 3 restorations. So if you've taken a policy of 10 lakhs, you might actually get 10 lakhs of restorations during 1 year on the exhaustion of the previous 10 lakhs. We have a whole host of options. Please do contact us for family Mediclaim covers. We at Ethical Advisors will be very happy to be of use to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.